Hello to all the viewers of Upstocks and Zerodha Partners. Today we are going to go ahead and check what was the strategy that we used for Bank Nifty tradings and made amazing profits. And we are going to understand each and every entry that we had posted for education purpose. Before that, I just want to go ahead and tell you what we saw before the day started. So this is the chart that we can see on 15 minutes that was visible before the start of the day. So I just go here and put a trend line, a basic trend line just to understand, not the technical one. So this is the trend line that I could see. So what we will do is we'll just extend the trend line and see what we can predict out of this. So the trend line says something like this. We'll just extend it and understand what does it say for tomorrow as well. Okay, perfect. All right, so if you see over here, this is the trend line that we have set basis on the information that we was available, and we were just looking for a position wherein we can get into a buy or a sell based on the trend line and the VWAP. So let me just apply the VWAP real quick. All right, so we have our tools right in place. Let's go and check what are the entries and exits that we had given. So this is our group, Upstocks and Zerodha Partners. We have about 6,500 subscribers. We post amazing detailed options on Bank Nifty and would recommend you to go ahead and check our group and also follow us on YouTube and on the Telegram. So these were the calls that we had given today. If you see the first call, it was at 9:32 p.m. sorry a.m. and it was a sell call at 35,954. The targets and the stop losses are mentioned, and you could see that there was an exit call of at 35,835 at 10:29. So 9:33, if you see on the chart, you can see that there is heavy pressure and the candle is not able to go ahead and close above the red line, which is the volume weighted average price. So this is the time wherein we sold, and we were expecting this to hit somewhere here so that we just conclude, and that's what we did. So 9:33 somewhere here we took an entry, and at 8:29 somewhere here we just took an exit of 100 points because it was nearing to this trend line. So that was our first entry. The second entry, the first entry did give us a profit of 119 points, if you see right here. Then there was another entry that we took that was at 10:39. If you see, it was a buy entry at 778 and the target was 35,978, and we just closed it at 10:54. So if you see at 10:29, so somewhere here, if you see, this is the time wherein we exited the buy side, the sell side, and then we entered into the buy side. Why? It was just nearing on the trend line. Yes, we do understand that the VWAP was saying that we should sell at this particular period of time, but we went into a buy side because we thought that today the market is going to be range bound on a specific day wherein we think that the market is actually going to go one sided. That is the time when we could have actually sold over here, but in this we just bought at this particular point because it's close to the trend line. So after this we closed the position as 10:59. That was somewhere over here. We just thought of booking about 100 points right here, somewhere over here, and we just closed the position there. So if you see, this is what I mean. We just closed, this was the buy side, and then we closed over here at 887, 1054 was the timing. Then there was another entry at 1144, that was with two lots, and that was at buy side. This was purely based on the two candles getting closed above the VWAP. If you see, the timing is 1144. So somewhere over here, the second candle, first and the second candle, it got closed above the VWAP, that was 36,021. So if we check over here, this is 36,035 entry, and we just exited at 115 because we started seeing this movement, the downside movement, and there was heavy pressure on this candle. If you see this candles, and finally when this candle came up, we thought that it's going below the VWAP and we should just change the position. And then at this particular point we just booked the loss and concluded. If you see over here, at the same time we went into a sell trade, and we were pretty confident that this is going to give us better result, because since the morning we have seen that the VWAP is going up down, but this was the point wherein if you see heavy selling pressure at the top concluded, and finally it was able to sustain below the VWAP. So this was the point wherein we thought that we are in for a good profit with three lots, and we just went sell at this particular point. Then just to go ahead and ensure that there is not much of a loss, we just closed the position with a profit of 100 points. If you see right here, just because it had started touching the lines right here, somewhere here is where we booked our profits. Then we did had another opportunities, but we were done, and we just thought that we should not do much of a thing, but still we thought of getting into a trade at 138. If you see, this is the point wherein it actually broke the trend line and it went downside. So with the one lot, when you are in profits like this, you can usually take a risk by adding one lot, and that's what we did somewhere over here on this when we started seeing a recovery. So it's important that you don't enter over here, because this is again going to, you don't know when it is going to end. It can go here, it can go here. So finally on this candle, we took an entry buy side, and there was not much happening. We waited for some time and we did not see better results, so we just closed the position. And if you see this, these were our trades for the month of February, and the dates mentioned, that is 10th of February. If you see, we made profits in four trades, and we had a loss in one trade. If you see the total, we made profits, and I'm pretty sure that you must have understood what logic we apply when we usually do this technical analysis. If you see for tomorrow, uh, on the 15 minutes chart, just to go ahead and predict what is going to happen tomorrow. Again, this is just a prediction, and you can actually do your own calculations to understand. We have the downside trend line. We will just add the upside trend line that we see. Okay. So please excuse me for the mess. I'm just doing it on the cell phone, so we just need to go ahead and understand a couple of things right here. So this is something which is going to be the top for the market. That's about 36,417. Yeah, somewhere there. Okay. And if you see on downside, it's going to be 35,937. So what I would do is, anywhere, like whenever the price touches this line, I will go buy side. If it goes like a gap up opening, and if it hits 400 or maybe 350, somewhere over there, 380, I will just go sell side with a stop loss somewhere over here, and I will try to go ahead and book about 100 or points. If I see that there are a lot of reds coming and there is heavy pressure at the top, and the market is trying to keep below the VWAP, I will hold the position and I'll take a 200 300 point buy, sorry, a sell. If it sustains and if it keeps going up, then I will go ahead and wait till this position and I'll just book my profits over here. So I hope you all have enjoyed and watching this video. Please keep us motivated by opening demat accounts from us, because that's the only way that we can go ahead and earn money. We have always supported you all by giving free trades, which you can go ahead and learn from, and we expect that you are going to go ahead and give it back to us by opening a lot of demat accounts. Give us a lot of love and support. Ask your friends to open your the demat accounts. We have amazing schemes for people who can actually open more than 10 accounts, demat accounts for us. And that's it. I think we are all good, and we will see you soon with another video which will let you know what is the trading strategy that we used. So thank you so much for watching, and you all have a lovely, lovely trading session tomorrow.